Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to this beautiful journey of Japanese storybooks reading. And in this series, we are going to read different books related to different reading levels. And definitely, this is going to help or facilitate our journey of learning this beautiful language. So let's start with the first book. And the name of this book is Shiawase. Shiawase is happiness. This story is about happiness. Happiness in the form of a poor person goes to every house, asks for help, and wherever he gets help, he decides to reside in that house forever. So let's read this beautiful story. The name of the story is Shiawase. Shimazaki Touson Shiawase Yori. Minasan wa Shiawase ga daisuki desu yo ne. Everyone loves happiness. Deva, Shiawase wa donna hito no tokoro ni kuru no deshou ka? Aru tokoro ni Shiawase no kami-sama ga imashita. Kami-sama is God. Kore kara minasan no ie ni ikimasu yo. Demo chotto matte. Deciding to go everyone's house. Shiawase no kami-sama wa furukute kitanai fuku o kimashita. Okane no nai bimbo na hito no fuku desu. Bimbo is poor person. Shiawase no kami-sama wa sora kara orimashita. Aru ie ni kimashita. Ie ni wa inu ga imashita. Dog. Dare desu ka? Bimbo desu. Bimbo ka? Bimbo wa suki janai. Ie no hito wa to o pishan to shimemashita. Wa wa wa. 二つ目の家に来ました。家には鶏がいました。誰ですか？貧乏です。貧乏か。貧乏は嫌いだね。こ。嫌い dislike。三つ目の家に来ました。家にはうさぎがいました。誰ですか？貧乏です。貧乏か。家の人は幸せの神様におにぎりをあげました。どうぞ。幸せの神様は嬉しかったです。幸せの神様はこの家に幸せを置きました。He left the happiness in that house forever. Goo, goo, goo. 幸せ。I believe all of you enjoyed reading this story with me. If you would like to download the PDF copy of this book or the list of words which have come in this book, you can follow the link below this video, sign up for download. Thank you. ありがとうございます。